Hello, welcome to the weather update. Merry Christmas. It was a sunny day today. Plenty of sun, just a few clouds. And there you can see the clouds around us. This is looking toward the north. So if you were looking to the north or to the south, you would see this bank of clouds. That is ocean effect clouds there, and even some snow showers. So if we go to the satellite image here, you can see here, if we look at that satellite image, you can sort of see that ocean effect there. There it is, right there on the sound and along the ocean right there. More or less, not too many clouds around at all. Fairly clear today, and not quite as bitterly cold as it has been. We got up into the 20s today, and you'll notice that we are around 23 right now. We still got those westerly breezes. So if we look at islip 23. Still got the dry air in place with a dew point of 8, but you'll notice the wind speed is down to 9 miles an hour, so the winds are coming down compared to what they were yesterday. But it was still breezy during the day today. Still some gusts over 20. But other than that, we got into the 20s today, upper 20s, so it definitely felt a lot less bitter than it has been. You can see almost southwest winds from the just, it's unusual to have cold weather on a southwest wind, but that's just how deep this cold air mass is, how far south it went before coming up toward us. Obviously, no radiational cooling taking place tonight on Long Island. However, if you look at New Jersey, they are getting radiational cooling, and it looks like it is 9 degrees at Berkeley Township. We got 12 at Coyle Field, so there's radiational cooling in New Jersey, 9 degrees in Berkeley Township. That's the Pine Barrens west of Toms River there, so it is really getting cold there. So it is cooling down there, but everybody else is pretty much in the 20s, mid-20s across the area. So let's take a look at our highs today, which certainly were an improvement over yesterday, that's for sure. Yesterday was cold, even for me. It was a little cold. So today, much easier to deal with, 28 degrees for a high. So we got into the upper 20s today, actually. We did a little better than I thought. Even the 30 in parts of the Jersey Shore. Let's take a look at our lows. Lows. Let's see what we got for the lows here. As we wait for them to come on screen. Here we go. So we had lows in the teens across Long Island. You'll see 12 at West Hampton. And the lows right now pretty much are what they are at in Jersey. So 9. Looks like it got down to 5 in Millville. So it got down to 5. So it looks like there was a little radiation cooling. That's pretty chilly. So if we do get the calm winds in Alpine Barrens, we're probably going to reach 0, but I don't know if we're going to get them. But New Jersey, you could get down to 0 this morning, perhaps. So it's going to be pretty chilly. So let's take a look at the models here, and we're just going to take you through this week here. High pressure stays in control, so we stay with fair weather. You'll notice the cold air starting to retreat, and we're going to be dry for much of this week. In fact, you'll notice as we get toward the end of the week, we have a ridge position, which is going to bring us some warmth. And then our next chance of rain would be probably late Saturday night to Sunday. That's our next chance of rain. So we don't have to deal with any rain for a while. Let's go look, and I will continue using the GFS for this. So let's look at our dew points and wind flow. Obviously, you'll see we're still in the dry air. West winds tomorrow. We still have the west winds still in the dry air tomorrow. And then even Tuesday, we still have the dry air. It starts to abate a little bit. You'll notice the dew points come up a little bit. We have west winds still. So we still stick with the dry air. Here we are Wednesday with more of a southwesterly flow. And then as we get into the south more of a warmer air, you'll notice the dew points rise a little bit, but not to the point. We're not going to really be seeing any real moisture until those rain chances come for next Sunday. All right, and that's New Year's Day. So looks like the rest of the year shouldn't have any rain in it. So looking at our air temperatures here, as we get into tomorrow, you'll see highs probably a little warmer than today. Maybe we'll get into the low 30s. Maybe we make it to freezing. Tomorrow night, debatable whether we'll see that radiational cooling or not because we will have some clouds. Then Tuesday, we'll finally get above freezing, have highs in the mid to upper 30s, and then you'll see temperatures get near 40 on Wednesday. Thursday will be in the mid-40s, and then as we head toward Friday, we could see 50. And next weekend could be quite warm with highs in the 50s. All right, so that's a look at what's going to happen with our temperatures. Now let's go look at our skies. And for that, we will use the RGM model. So tomorrow, we should start off with sun, but I got to watch this area of Cirrus that might wind up rolling in. Depending on the time, we should have mostly sunny skies until like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. All right. Then we'll have to deal with that cirrus, which is almost like a little minor front coming through. And then for Tuesday, we should be mostly sunny. And then Wednesday, we've got to watch the cirrus again coming into the picture. All right. And then beyond that, as far as we got are the RCHEM right now. And I don't really want to look at any of the models tonight. I don't want to make this too long of a weather update. So that is going to wrap up this weather update. Thank you for watching. Have a good night and Merry Christmas.